Hey, welcome back to the shop and thanks for hanging out. In the first video of the shoe bench, we glued up the panels that will make the sides of the cabinets. And today we're going to flatten those off. I made those wider and longer than I need so that I can further process them here before taking them down to their final size. Hey, babe. We were shooting for 2 panels. We hit 1. That's still good progress. I'm all right with that. When I glue them up, I kind of knew one of them was going to give me an issue, and the other one is pretty dead solid. So I went for the troublemaker first. They ended up losing a 1/16 of an inch on each face to get that thing flattened out. That's cool. I'm cool with that. So now I know what to shoot for in the other. I did decide kind of halfway through this to, go ahead and get this to final dimensions and everything. Really happy we hit that 16 by 20. We're at 1.5 inches thick. Like I said, I'm cool with that, but the corners are square. We didn't blow out any corners, no spelching, no tear out. That's a big win for a glue up and getting a big panel together like this. Last thing, how about that shot of the wire edge? I hope y'all saw that in the section that I was sharpening. Let me know in the comments if that's something that helped you, if you haven't seen that before. I know people talk about it all the time, feeling a burr and the wire edge coming off. It's kind of hard to get a shot of it, but I managed to get one. So let me know in the comments if that was helpful. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thanks for hanging out.